Okay, and we're back in the garage. So here we reset, press the clear. Alright, go up here, reset cleared, machine home set. Let's do some, oops, sorry for the bad angle. Let's do some, movement. Alright, so, times 10. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's the machine movement. We're on testing phase now. So we got an Acorn CNC, 2 drivers, 2 motors. Too bad we didn't have Technic motors, but we got step-on line motors that are powerful enough to move that machine. Here's a mess of a circuit box for now for testing. There's the drivers, the G251 Gecko drives. There's my 24 volt power supply that's powering the drives. That's what the Acorn board is handling. 24 volt in. And then there's the Acorn board right there. You see the heartbeat pattern in the background. Alright, well, that's all we're going to handle for now.